Hey guys, this is Xamarin guys. So 59 tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to make splash screen for Xamarin Forms iOS and learning about constraints. So at first, we'll install this Sketch application. You can use Photoshop also for this. And this Sketch application is available for Mac only. This is a free trial version application. At first, we are going to import an icon image that will be placed as splash screen. This is my image that is going to be used as splash screen image for our Xamarin Forms iOS. The main advantage of using this application is we can get every sizes image from here, and we can export to iOS as well as Android. This is my iOS image that we can get. Before that, we have to maintain the image size of 133 by 91 times 46, as it will be a bit best fitted size, and then we can export to iOS as well as Android. I'll create a new folder as Samir Sketch and then export it over here. Now inside our desktop, this my images with different sizes that will be used as a splash screen icons. So let's start our Visual Studio and create a new project. Now let us create a Xamarin Forms application and then give it a name as check iOS. You can give a name and then create a new project. Now let us create a storyboard. In Windows, we can select view page. In this Mac, we are going to use launch screen storyboard as new launch screen storyboard. Before that, we are going to make a new image set. This is my image set. Let us import all those images that we got from our Sketch application. That's all. Now let us rename it to new image, and then inside your info.plist we are going to call this new launch screen as our main splash screen. Now if you don't find your properties tab inside your pads, you'll get that properties tab. Now we are going to import our image view as our splash screen image. Let us give it a small size and place it at center, and let us import our image. Then let us give its position from top as fixed image with width as well as height. Then let us check it for different version of iPhones. Okay, our image is fixed at center. This is my iPad Pro. Okay, our image is fixed at center with actual sizes. That's all. Now we are going to import our text below it. Now let us import this text view. Then let us write anything as you like. You can give any name, and then let us stretch it. Then here are the list of options that you can do with this text view. We can remove our border also from this text view. We can place it to center. Anything, you can give a background color For this tutorial I'll be doing nothing, you can play with those values. Now this constraint we are going to apply along with those image. I'll keep that a little bit of down of that icon image and then just zoom it. We'll fix its height as well as width. That's all. Now let us check it for different screen sizes, iPhones as well as iPads. In landscape mode, icon along with text is being displayed as you can see over here. That's all. Now let us open our iPhone project and then inside our iPhone X we'll get that same image along with that label text. That's all. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.